Overall, when you look at across the eligibility criteria recommendations in the first iteration, lower age groups is one that was a big push, and so pediatric patients coming on to adult trials down to as low as age 12 was the recommendation from that group, allowing patients who are HIV positive onto trials when safe. Sometimes antiretrovirals are certainly problematic from a drug interaction perspective. But the positives are that we'll have this this group of patients on trials that really is reflective of everybody that walks into our door. We have a thought at Emory in our phase 1 program that we want to have a trial for every patient and a patient for every trial. In order to make that match happen, we've got to make sure that our eligibility criteria are well thought out. The plus side of it is that we can accelerate approval of drugs, accrual to trials, and optimally approval of drugs with faster accrual to these trials. The downside from a sponsor perspective is they're concerned that a new safety signal might be seen in a patient population that is more, that is less restrictive, that is more open, and so FDA has put out a number of draft guidances to help allay some of those fears of sponsors that the safety data will be analyzed in an understanding way based on the eligibility criteria. FDA was at the table during these conversations of eligibility and certainly had big input into what we came forward with.